Hello everyone, this is Tutul and you were watching Codies. In the last video, we saw how we can connect C-line extension with GLM coding plan. And in this video, we're going to see how we can connect kilocode with custom GLM model. To do that, of course, we need a paid subscription of ZAI GLM model, which I already have that. In the last December, I bought that. Then you have to come to the documentation page of ZAI and search for the kilocode, which I already opened. And then you have to open Visual Studio Code and tap on extension panel. From the extension panel, you have to search for kilocode. So let me search it. Here you can see this is the kilocode extension. I already installed that. Let me uninstall it and reinstall it first. Then restart the extension. And now you can see there is a icon, kilocode icon in the sidebar. Click on it and you have to just click on continue. You can skip this and look for the setting of kilocode. In the gear icon, click on it. And in the model section, if you want to select the default model, there is no GLM coding model. We have to set it first. So click on providers and search for the custom provider, or we can choose show more providers. Click on it and search for ZAI coding plan. And you have to set the API key. From your ZAI API, just copy the API key and paste it here and tap on submit. Then you have to set the default model from the model section. Click on default model and search for the GLM model. Let me select GLM 5.1, which is a great coding model. Then click on save and come to the kilocode and let me type anything. And it will give me the result successfully. That means I successfully added the kilocode with GLM model. Thank you, everyone.